Alright, so welcome to 10 Sunset Drive, for 3 bedrooms, 4 bathroom apartment. We have a smart entry access. Upon entering, you're greeted with a large balcony. There are a balcony on the first floor as well as a balcony on the second floor. The AC unit as well as the ceiling fan can be negotiated into the price. The blinds come with the unit, and there's a blinds on the sliding windows as well as every window. The kitchen area, we have the fridge, which can also be negotiated with the unit. Granite countertop and hardwood. We also have smart, soft close cabinets. Once again, the blinds come on every window. And the unit itself is 2,500 square feet.
And it is at a listing price of?
$55 million.
Alright, and
we're on the second floor, and it's at 10 Sunset Drive. In the complex, it's a fairly new complex, and it's very competitively priced.
So in terms of amenities?
Alright, amenities of the complex include, we have a pool, we have a gazebo, we also have included, they have 24-hour security. It's from Monday to Saturday, and on Sundays, it comes in the afternoon as well. This area here, what I like about it is you can choose to enclose this area here and make the aesthetics much more appealing. This is the view from the first floor balcony. Now we can see the pool area here. Water tanks included. So there's individual water tanks for each unit. We have 2 bedrooms on the ground floor. We have 1 bedroom here. And in the bedroom, ceiling fan and AC comes within each bedroom. All right, there's also an ensuite that's there for each bedroom as well. Closet space. You can have storage on top also. And look at the view. Nice. All right, so I'm taking it to the second bedroom. All right, before we head over, we have the powder room here. If you have guests over, they can utilize this bathroom here without going to any one of the other bedrooms. Very spacious. All right, we have the laundry area here, which allows you to utilize a side-by-side if you like, not just a stackable based on the size of the laundry room. Right, so I'm taking to the second bedroom, and then we're going to head upstairs. So as I was advising, each bedroom comes with its own ensuite, as well as there's the AC unit and ceiling fan that's consistent throughout all the bedrooms. We have closet space inside each bedroom. And you can also utilize this section here for storage as well. All right, so I'm taking you up to the master bedroom as well as the rooftop terrace. Rooftop terrace is its own private rooftop terrace, which is dedicated directly for this unit. So everything up here is allocated directly for this unit. Show you the master bedroom first. Blinds consistent on all the windows, and that's included. You have a really nice view from your master bedroom. We have the walk-in closet right here.
Is the chandelier inside included in this price?
Yeah, the chandelier can definitely be negotiated. So everything you see can be negotiated into the price. We have the dual vanity sink. So come, I'm going to take you to my favorite part of the unit. Own private terrace located just out the master. So all this area here is directly allocated for this unit. You have a L-shaped balcony that you can take advantage of and basically maximize as well you like. You can choose whether you want to put outside bar area, kitchenette, just to enhance the whole entertainment area outside. That's definitely something you could consider.
People, Craig did a really good job. I was tired and he really led this video for me. So you can follow him on Instagram at
Realtime JA.
Alright. Big up Craig, much respect. Thank you.
Blessings, brother.
So that was the 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom penthouse shown to you by Craig. I thank him so much because I was a bit tired and he led that video well. Don't forget to like this video if you like the unit and to leave your comments below what you think of this particular property. And again, it is at a list price of 55 million, but it is negotiable. The things that you see on the inside are negotiable. And yeah, I think it's a pretty solid property in a nice city area. What else is there to say? Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I make one of these videos for you. Yeah, and that's it. AB signing out.